Hoping to avoid a second C-section, my first client, America, did the work but just didn't dilate. Ultimately, having a second surgical birth, she still reported it as a positive experience. This is important to note because nearly 40% of births are reported as traumatic. Empowering expected parents through support and evidence-based education, as recommended by ACOG, can significantly improve birth outcomes. I'm Susan Finazzo of My Baby Lady, where parents receive support and evidence-based education and are assisted where they need the help most. Whether you're having another baby, already have your birth plan written, or are simply overwhelmed, visit mybabylady.com and schedule your free consultation. Then read what Heather had to say. Again, my name is Susan Finazzo. Choose My Baby Lady for a better birth experience.